Yo! Welcome back. You seriously need to see this best Magcubic HY320 Mini. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it is absolutely impressive. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch, they are selling out fast. Grab the discount via the link below, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone.